Hi everyone, welcome back my other video. This is a Airbus 4 channel RC remote control Airbus and 3D light plus music and battery rechargeable battery cell and very stylish and cool red and white color and wait for testing please. And the remote very stylish and cool. The back wings packing very nice and color very nice and quality, wow, 100% pure material. Open the back remote cover and two battery cell install and testing. Wait for drive and test. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. 3 battery cell install, double A cell and 3D light, multicolored 3D light and wings and back wings in the 3D light. Forward back speed very high, super speed. Airbus. I'm marking by recently by price is almost 1500. Forward back, finishing very nice. And remote control cars test. Wait for car test. 3D light compared to Airbus. Red BMW model RC control car rechargeable and red color. This is my favorite color, red, and your favorite color. And this is USB cable, 30 to 40 minute recharge and battery backup 30 to 40 minutes. Very easy to use and on, and 3D light color, very cool color and stylish 3D light, very high speed RC control car. budget for car and model RC control car, mini size car, very small size and very high speed car, red color and battery cell, and 2-channel RC control car. No, 4-channel and 2-channel. This is a car 2-channel RC control car, and with a function forward and back only, just forward and back, and a 2-cell remote and a 3-cell car. Oh, wow, speed, very high speed. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon and more video. Thanks for watching.